Welcome to my channel, and here I'm going to show you how you can draw an isometric cuboid. And the length of the cuboid is 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters. The width is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters, while the height is 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. Those are dimensions that I'm to use to draw an isometric cuboid. So let's go and see how that can be done. I believe you know that we are making use of our 30-degree set square. So we are making use of this edge and this edge of the set square. So let's see how this can be done. You see that this thing is very simple. So what we need to do first is to draw a short horizontal line. Okay, just draw a short horizontal line. Then at this point, so let's put a dot here at this point, and let's call this point, let's call it point A. Okay, so this is point A. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so with our t-square like this, so we place our set square on the t-square and we move it to point A that we have on the line. Then you draw a line in this direction. So this line is at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal because we are making use of the 30-degree side of this set square. Then what you need to do now is that you turn the set square, just turn it like this. Turn it like this. It's very simple. So just turn it like this. Then draw this line in this direction, draw a line in this direction. Okay, so draw a line in this direction. Then you take the set square again and you set it vertical like this at point A. Then draw a vertical line up point A like this. Okay, now, so with what we have done now, with these 3 lines that we have done, so we are going to take the measurement. So we want the length of the cuboid to be on this side, while we want the width to be on this side, and the height is always on the vertical line. So let's take the length of the cuboid. So we take 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters. 0 on the ruler is at point A. Then here we have 6. Just make a mark here on that 6. So this point, we call it point B. So this is point B. Okay, then we take our ruler, set 0. So we set the ruler like this. Set 0 at point A. Let 0 be at point A. Then take the height. So the height is 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. This is 3 centimeters. So make a mark on the line. Then the width is on this side, so which is 4 centimeters. So 4 is at point A here, and we have 0 at this point. Just make a mark here. Alright, so this point is point C. Okay, so while this point is point G. Okay, so this is point D here. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so at point B, so with our set square like this, okay, so like this on the ruler, then we take it to point B. So we have to draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, then bring it to point D and then draw a vertical line up. Okay, alright, so the next that we are going to do is that, so we take the set square, we set in this direction and we place it on the t-square. Now move it to point C. So draw a line in this direction from C. Draw a line in this direction to touch the vertical line. Then you turn the set square like this. Then bring it to point C at this point. Then draw a line from here to touch this line here. Okay, to touch this line. Alright, so then the next that we are going to do is that, so bring the set square to this point. So let me label this point. So this is point E. Okay, so this point is point E, while this point is point F. So now take the set square. So take the set square. Okay, let's start like this first. So make the set square to be in this form or in this direction. Then bring it to point A and draw a line in this direction. Then you turn the set square like this, bring it to point F here, and then draw a line to meet this line. So we have completed this isometric cuboid. So this point is point G. So we call this point G. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to outline the object. So outline the object. So how do we do that? So you make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line. So this is a receding line of an oblique object. Also make this line a thick line. Then make this line a thick line like this. Alright, so then for the vertical lines, so make this line a thick line. Okay, so this line also make it a thick line. Then you make this line a thick line. Alright, so then here on this side, so make this line a thick line. You also make this line a thick line. Then this line will make it a thick line. Alright, so we have completed the isometric cuboid. It's as simple as I've done it here. Just follow my instruction and you see that it's simple and you get it done perfectly. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.